So I just woke up to a surprise. This is my door light projectors with the Infiniti logo that lights up on the ground. That's what this is. So I will be installing this and letting you guys see the finished product. Flip that back over. Y'all don't need to see my address, but it's supposed to be a simple install. You're just gonna need a screwdriver or something like that. Pop those out, plug those in. So all right, stay tuned and let's see the finished product. Always be prepared, because I can't find my tools. All right. So boom. That's the old light. Old dingy, orange, yellow looking light. This bag is sealed up better than my cush. I'm gonna keep this. It's high quality baggy. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so with these, it's a simple plug and play design. Just pop it out, plug it in, put it back in. Make sure I got everything lined up. Oh yeah. That's clean. I like how that look. And I do got a G37 sedan. So that means I got 4 of these. So I'm gonna put the rest of these in, and I'm gonna check in with y'all when I'm done so y'all can see how it look at the very end. And if you guys do want to purchase this, it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. Real cheap, real simple install. Pop it in, pop it out, wham bam, real quick. So yeah, let me do the other 3 doors. I'll check in with y'all later. Whew. Okay, I'm back and it's done. Okay, I did not know this, but in the sedan, there's only those little door lights on the front. The back don't got them, so I got 2 extra. From the reviews on Amazon, people say these don't last very long, so backups. I ain't tripping, but I think it turned out pretty good. Let's see. I mean, it was easy. It took literally 2 seconds to pop the old light out. Hardest part was getting into the packaging, honestly. It was fairly simple install. I've been out here for maybe 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even brushed my teeth yet. That's how easy this was. You know what I'm saying? Wham, bam. Go back in the house, take a nap before I go to work. And I got a new little install or mod on my car. Real simple. And I like it. I get this install 3 out of 5 on the cool factor. It would be higher if these lights lasted a little bit longer, but people say they don't last too long, so I can't give y'all a straight 5. And it's a subtle flex, you know what I'm saying? I got a 4-door sedan, but I ain't got no friends. So the front seat is gonna be, only thing that's gonna be occupied is gonna be me, a nice young lady, or you know what I'm saying? So when she opened that door, she was like, woo, Infiniti on the floor. Open the door, Infiniti on the floor. That's a gem. I can have that for free. The next ones I gotta charge. But just stay tuned to this channel. I'm growing it. I'm growing my Instagram as well. The Instagram will pop up somewhere like right around here right now. And make sure you guys follow me. I'm starting a car club as well. So if you within Texas, or anywhere really, but I'm based in Texas, North Dallas to be exact. So if you're around the surrounding areas and you want to go to car meets with people, but you're new to the car scene or whatever, and you don't want to go solo, feel free to hit me up. I'll tag along with you, and hopefully we can grow something bigger than ourselves with this VQ community. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to my Nissans, shout out to my Infinitis. Anybody with a VQ engine, shout out to y'all. This is what it's about over here. We're not the fastest cars, but I think we stand out the most, in my opinion. I slapped on a straight pipe on my car and it's ridiculous loud. My friend was like, dude, you got a jet engine in your car now. It's that crazy loud. This is a good motor. It's a quirky motor, but it's a good one. So anybody with a VQ engine, I rock with you because it takes patience and money for real to maintain these. So I respect all y'all. Whether you Infiniti, Nissan, G37, G35, Nissan Maxima, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I respect all y'all. So just stay tuned to the journey. Join the family. You know, Sick With It VQs. I got a lot of good things coming with this car. Wrap, rims, suspension, all that. So just stay tuned.